Window installation services in Kendall are essential for homeowners looking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and curb appeal. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, and custom windows, residents can enjoy reduced energy bills and increased comfort. Vinyl windows and storm windows are popular choices for those seeking durability and protection against harsh weather conditions. Window sealing and window caulking are crucial for preventing drafts and maintaining indoor temperatures, while entry doors Kendall further enhance curb appeal and security. Energy-efficient windows in Kendall are a top priority for environmentally conscious homeowners. These windows help reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills. Double-pane windows are particularly effective in providing insulation and noise reduction. Custom windows offer a personalized touch, allowing homeowners to choose designs that complement their home's architecture. Vinyl windows are known for their low maintenance and long-lasting performance, making them a popular choice in Kendall. Pairing them with entry doors Kendall creates a balanced blend of style and efficiency. Window installation services in Kendall cater to various needs, from window glass replacement to window frame installation. Whether dealing with cracked glass or damaged frames, professional installation services ensure windows are restored to their optimal condition. Window hardware and window screens are also essential components that may require attention over time. Window tinting services in Kendall offer additional benefits, such as UV protection and enhanced privacy, while entry doors Kendall complete the home's functional upgrades. Entry door installation in Kendall is a crucial service for homeowners looking to improve their home's security and aesthetic appeal. Door replacement options include front door installation, patio doors, sliding glass doors, and French doors. Each type of door offers unique benefits, from increased natural light to enhanced security features. Door hardware and door weather stripping are important considerations for maintaining door functionality and energy efficiency, making entry doors Kendall an excellent investment. Residential window replacement in Kendall is a significant investment that can greatly enhance a home's value and comfort. Energy-efficient windows Kendall and double-pane windows Kendall are popular choices for those looking to improve insulation and reduce noise. Custom windows Kendall and vinyl windows Kendall offer a range of styles and finishes to suit any home design. Window glass replacement Kendall and storm windows Kendall provide additional protection against the elements, while entry doors Kendall add lasting curb appeal. Window insulation services in Kendall are essential for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Proper insulation helps reduce energy costs and improve overall home efficiency. Window sealing Kendall and window caulking Kendall are key components of effective insulation, preventing air leaks and drafts. Window tinting services Kendall offer additional benefits, such as glare reduction and increased privacy, and entry doors Kendall contribute to better insulation and energy savings. Entry door services in Kendall encompass a wide range of options, from door replacement to door frame installation. Front door installation Kendall and patio doors Kendall are popular choices for homeowners looking to enhance their home's entrance. Sliding glass doors Kendall and French doors Kendall offer stylish and functional solutions for connecting indoor and outdoor spaces. Door hardware Kendall and door weather stripping Kendall are important for ensuring doors operate smoothly and efficiently, making entry doors Kendall a cornerstone of every upgrade. Residential door replacement in Kendall is an important consideration for homeowners looking to update their property's appearance and functionality. Entry door installation Kendall and door glass replacement Kendall are key services that can transform a home's entrance. Door frame installation Kendall and door hardware Kendall are essential for maintaining door integrity and performance. Door weather stripping Kendall helps improve energy efficiency by preventing drafts and air leaks, ensuring entry doors Kendall remain strong and efficient. Window installation services Kendall offer top-notch solutions for all your window needs. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient windows Kendall or custom windows Kendall, our team provides expert installation to enhance your home's comfort and style. Our double-pane windows Kendall are designed to improve insulation and reduce energy costs, making them a smart choice for any homeowner, and entry doors Kendall paired perfectly to complete the upgrade. For those in need of window installation services Kendall, we specialize in window frame installation and window glass replacement Kendall. Our skilled technicians can handle everything from storm windows Kendall to window sealing Kendall, ensuring your windows are in perfect condition. We also offer window caulking and window hardware services to keep your windows functioning smoothly, along with entry doors Kendall for added security and elegance. If you're considering upgrading your doors, our entry door installation Kendall services are second to none. We provide a wide range of options, including patio doors Kendall, sliding glass doors Kendall, and French doors Kendall. Our door replacement Kendall services ensure a seamless transition, while our front door installation Kendall and door frame installation Kendall keep your entryways secure and attractive. Choosing entry doors Kendall ensures both style and durability. Vinyl windows Kendall are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance. Our residential window replacement Kendall services include a variety of styles and finishes to match your home's aesthetic. We also offer window tinting services Kendall and window insulation services Kendall to enhance privacy and energy efficiency, while entry doors Kendall provide the perfect finishing touch. Door hardware Kendall and door weather stripping Kendall are essential for maintaining the integrity of your doors. Our door glass replacement Kendall services ensure that your doors are both functional and stylish. Whether you need residential door replacement Kendall or entry door services Kendall, our team is ready to assist with premium entry doors Kendall. Window screens and window tinting are additional services we provide to improve your home's comfort and security. Our window insulation services Kendall help keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer, reducing energy costs and enhancing comfort. Paired with entry doors Kendall, these services create a well-rounded home improvement solution. For comprehensive residential window services Kendall, trust our experienced team to deliver exceptional results. From custom windows Kendall to energy-efficient windows Kendall, we have the expertise to meet all your window and door needs. Contact us today for a consultation and discover the difference our professional services, including entry doors Kendall, can make for your home.